front of me is SONY Xperia 1.4 and today I would like to show you how to use pop-up view on this device. First of all, just open your app and click on the square button. From here you can click on the icon of an app and select pop-up window. But you can also open your app, click on the same square button, but this time choose pop-up window over here. Now when I click home button, as you can see, I can use my app in this little window over here. If you wish to move it around, just drag it. If you wish to use it overlay other apps, just tap on the other one and operate in both of them. If you wish to close your app, you can do that by clicking on this X icon at the top right or left corner, this square icon over here, but you can also just close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!